Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to password lock your Telegram chats. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines from the top left corner. Go to Settings. Tap on Privacy and Security. Now under Security, tap on Passcode Lock. Click on Enable Passcode. Enter 4-digit passcode in the text field. Re-enter your passcode, and you will password lock your Telegram chats. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to lock chats on Telegram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.